All decorative elements, staircases of various shapes or terraces, can be defined from the option Solid, which is available on the Architecture ribbon. We choose the option Input Rectangular Solid. We enter the properties of the element and we define the height. We enter the solid 15 centimeters from the door to the left. After acceptance, we give the length of the solid. From the input window, we choose the width option, we enter, and approve it. We are entering new solids that will create the stairs in front of the building. We start with giving the height position. We indicate the reference points, in other words, the depth of the step, the length of the solid, and its width. We deal with other solids accordingly. The porch came out too low, so after selecting it, we enter the properties and we change the parameters accordingly.